In 2016, the pioneering journey of the V-247 Vigilant unmanned aerial vehicle commenced, culminating in its realization in 2023. Bell Helicopter's unwavering dedication has resulted in a drone that surpasses conventional aircraft, a remarkable feat in aviation. From its inception, Bell Helicopter aimed to create a tiltrotor drone that outperforms traditional planes. As development progressed, the concept exhibited exceptional potential, prompting the company to expand its initial vision. Initially designed for the U.S. Marine Corps, the V-247 Vigilant's adaptability has exceeded expectations, even fitting Navy's Arleigh Burke-class destroyers. Recognizing this potential, Bell Helicopter is poised to launch a more compact version that retains the formidable power and functionalities of the original model, creating high anticipation. Revolutionizing aviation. Responding to the escalating requisites of the U.S. military for a specialized unmanned aerial vehicle, Bell Helicopter introduced the V-247. Tailored to cater to the evolving demands, this innovative aircraft delivers sustained backing to ground forces, while also excelling in terms of storage and transport convenience. Depending on altitude, range, and weight, the V-247 finds its place within either the Group 4 or Group 5 UAVs classification. While both groups accommodate a maximum weight of 1,320 pounds, Group 4 operates below 18,000 feet, while Group 5 ascends to higher altitudes. The nomenclature V-247 is derived from the aircraft's remarkable ability to offer 24/7 intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) support to designated areas. Bell Helicopter took a significant step forward on September 22, 2016, when it revealed a scaled 1.8 model of the V-247. As the company funds the initial design phase of the V-247, it actively seeks a potential client, likely the U.S. Marine Corps, to contribute to subsequent design iterations and integrate specific requisites into the aircraft's blueprint. The V-247's impressive capabilities are rooted in its incorporation of tilt rotors, enabling it to achieve vertical takeoffs and seamless transitions into high-speed forward flight. This distinctive advantage places it beyond the confines of conventional rotorcraft or fixed-wing planes, leveraging technologies from their prior experiences with the V-22 Osprey, V-280 Valor for the Future Vertical Lift program, and the discontinued AV-911 Eagle Eye. Bell Helicopter infused these elements into the V-247's development. With its adaptability and prowess, the V-247 accommodates a diverse array of missions, spanning from electronic warfare to persistent fire support, as well as roles in airborne early warning and resupply missions. Initially conceived as a contender for the Marine Air-Ground Task Force, Unmanned Aerial System Experimental (UX) program, the V-247's purpose aligned with providing the Marine Expeditionary Unit an independent unmanned aircraft for multifarious operations including reconnaissance, electronic warfare, offensive air support, and cargo utility. However, the program encountered budgetary constraints from Congress in 2020, highlighting the complex challenges faced in advancing such cutting-edge endeavors. Releasing strength. Designed to tackle substantial load-bearing tasks, the V-247 Vigilant aircraft boasts an empty weight of 16,000 pounds. Impressively, it can bear a staggering load of up to 13,000 pounds encompassing fuel, weaponry, and sensors, culminating in a remarkable total weight of 29,000 pounds. This exceeds the maximum takeoff weight of the MQ-9 drone by threefold, showcasing the Vigilant's exceptional prowess. Yet, what truly distinguishes the Vigilant is its raw power. Unlike its counterparts, the V-22 and V-280, which incorporate two engines within their tilt-rotor pylons, the Vigilant is equipped with a singular engine nestled in its fuselage. This robust engine generates an impressive 5,000-plus shaft horsepower. With a wingspan spanning 65 feet and tilting rotors boasting a 30-foot diameter, the aircraft features a distinctive V-shaped tail and a single elongated wing component attached atop the fuselage. It is further outfitted with retractable tricycle landing gear. The Vigilant, not only robust and compact, but also agile and swift, maintains a cruise speed of 290 miles per hour and can reach a top speed of 350 miles per hour. Its service ceiling extends to 25,000 feet, coupled with a combat radius of 520 miles and an 11 to 15-hour time on station, while carrying a 600-pound payload. Moreover, the Vigilant demonstrates remarkable endurance, capable of flying up to 1,600 miles for 17 hours using internal fuel, and it features mid-air refueling capability. This versatile aircraft accommodates 3 internal payload bays, a centerline payload, and the potential to mount up to 2 underwing pylons per side for diverse payloads, including radar systems, lidar modules, sonobuoys, the Mark 50 torpedo, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, and joint air-to-ground missiles. With a maximum sling load of 9,000 pounds, the Vigilant cements its reputation as a robust and adaptable platform. As developments proceed as envisaged, the V-247 Vigilant could potentially achieve production readiness by the year 2023, signaling a new era of cutting-edge aerial capabilities. Transforming the skies. In the year 2022, Bell revived the V-247 Vigilant and undertook significant modifications to render it suitable for deployment on Navy ships as a surveillance and strike aircraft. A pivotal aspect of this transformation centered on ensuring its compatibility within the confines of an early Burke-class destroyer's hangar, aligning with the prerequisites of the Navy's helicopter-capable vessels. Notably, the adaptation involved reconfiguring the wings and rotors of the 37-foot fuselage to align with the dimensions of the U-1I Venom helicopter. This ingenious design innovation enabled the compacting of 2 Vigilant drones into a single C-17 Globemaster III transport aircraft, streamlining transport logistics. Operated autonomously, the Vigilant exhibits capabilities analogous to those of a manned helicopter, even fitting into the same spatial parameters as the MH-60R helicopter. To tailor the Vigilant for the Navy's future vertical lift maritime strike development requirements, Bell executed a series of modifications to the initial design. The aircraft's weight was reduced to approximately 28,000 pounds to meet Navy stipulations, accompanied by the reduction of the fuselage size by eliminating excess fuel capacity. However, Todd Warden, Bell's senior manager for advanced vertical lift systems sales and strategy, clarified that while resizing occurred in various aspects, the wingspan remained largely unaltered to optimize the aircraft's endurance and glide performance. The Navy is currently in the process of evaluating alternatives for its maritime strike systems, conducting an analysis of alternatives that will ultimately shape the future requirements for replacing both the MH-60R and the MQ-8C Fire Scout. The redesigned V-247 Vigilant is set to be equipped with diverse armament options, ranging from fuselage-mounted armaments to internal weapons bays and wing-mounted pylons. The internal mission payload capacity has been revamped to accommodate 2,000 pounds, and the drone's sling load capacity has been augmented to an impressive 9,000 pounds. Surprisingly, the redesigned iteration of the drone might surpass the capabilities of its original version. The streamlined fuselage design, as highlighted by Warden, has contributed to improved performance, possibly due to the reduction in drag resulting from the slender-down fuselage. The reimagined V-247 Vigilant stands as a testament to Bell's commitment to innovation and adaptation, poised to play a vital role in the Navy's evolving aerial capabilities. Beyond limits. A life-sized mock-up of the V-247 Vigilant was prominently showcased at various trade exhibitions, showcasing its adaptability through configurations featuring underwing weapons mounts, including Textron Fury glide bombs and Hellfire missiles. Recent imagery has portrayed the aircraft outfitted with Joint Strike missiles on cheek mounts, elevating its capabilities as a standoff anti-ship and land attack cruise missile system. This enhancement equips the V-247 with an exceptional over-the-horizon combat capability. While awaiting the Navy's conclusions from its analysis of alternatives, Bell's unwavering commitment to advancing tilt-rotor technologies remains evident. Carl Forsling, Bell's Senior Manager of Advanced Military Programs Sales and Strategy, underlines the autonomy of the V-247's flight controls as a significant step in surmounting the challenges associated with integrating forward-firing munitions onto tilt-rotor aircraft. Leveraging strides in both aircraft and weaponry advancements, the possibility of off-axis missile firing arises, negating the need for the aircraft to shift from airplane mode to execute wing-mounted munitions. This innovation not only streamlines operations but also bolsters the aircraft's operational flexibility. The V-247's autonomous flight capabilities introduce another layer of efficiency by facilitating seamless transitions from forward flight to a partial hover. This minimizes the aircraft's vulnerability to hostile air defenses, enhancing its overall survivability. This adaptability has captured the attention of the U.S. Army, which has expressed its interest in autonomous unmanned aircraft capable of operating independently of traditional runways. Furthermore, the potential for the V-247 to be integrated into collaborative unmanned teaming arrangements is emerging. These setups would enable helicopter pilots to exert control over nearby drones directly from their cockpit via a tactical common data link, thus ushering in new paradigms in aerial coordination and operations. Bell's dedication to pushing the boundaries of tilt-rotor technology and creating solutions that transcend conventional limits underscores the V-247 Vigilant's position at the forefront of modern aviation innovation.